Welcome to the Changedom Experience. My name is Reginal Sr. and my hobby is my hustle. During this world pandemic and national lockdown, I'm launching Changedom as an independent home-based business and online custom t-shirt store, featuring exclusive trims from Changedom on Etsy.com. That's ESTY.com. It is an honor and privilege for me to present Changedom's Justus, reimagined, handcrafted, and brought to you as a symbol of courage and pride for our culture within the human race. So here we have our Justus design. What we're going to do is go ahead and highlight it. We're going to right click, we're going to ungroup the patterns that exist within the design, flip our design horizontally so it reads left to right the correct way on the t-shirt because we're using heat transfer vinyl. Then we're going to rotate this design so that way we can fit the pattern that we want cut out first by color inside this red box, which represents our material and where we want to cut out on our material as we send it to the cameo. Which we will cut by color.
New wave, pour the water.
Green. Now that we have our red cut out, we're going to go ahead and go back to the design portion and reposition our image. And the pattern that we're going for, now that our red is cut out, is going to be our green. I'm going to go ahead and send it to the cameo. I'm going to select action like the form, which is, we're going to unselect the red and we're going to select the green. So we're going to send our design back to our design board. Going to highlight our design, and then we're going to unclick the green. We already cut that portion out. We're going to choose our gold pattern. Let's go.
New wave, pour the water. New wave, pour the water. New wave, pour the water.
Justus, that's Justus, is America's call to action. To speak out, identify solutions, and decide as a country why all lives matter. In reverence to the Black lives who have fallen here in our country. I do want to thank every one of you for being a part of Changedom's custom t-shirt store opening on Etsy.com. That's www.etsy.com/shop/Changedom, where you'll only find exclusive trends by Changedom on Etsy.com. Thanks again and make it a great day.